Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Dia and Co box. I haven't done a video in quite a while for my unboxings, so I'm going to try to get one up tonight. We'll see how it goes. I have opened the tape, but I have not gone inside the box, so it's first for me. Okay. First off, we'll go over the note here. And I do have Alexandria again. I think this is like my fourth time with her, maybe. She says, "Hi Sandy, I'm so glad you loved a couple pieces in your last box. I hope that this box will have even more pieces you love. Let's dive into it. These black pants and these dark wash jeans can both be styled for business casual wear. Pair the jeans with either of these gorgeous tops and the black pants with the floral blouse to brighten things up a bit. Add this lightweight ivory sweater for a sophisticated touch and you're set. Please make sure your profile is up to date. Update your style survey to reflect everything you do and do not want to receive. If you have any questions on this, our amazing CX team is available at support@dia.com. XOXO Alexandria." Okay, and every box you do get your return bag here to send anything back that you don't want to keep. And all right, here is my bundle. So, a lot of dark again. I'm trying to get a little bit of lighter stuff, but I do wear a lot of dark, so there's a light up on top there too, so that should be good. Okay, first up we have this little Mirror Lane little cardigan. It's cute. I'm not really a cute kind of person, but we'll see. I've been trying to tell them a lot that I'm not your cute kind of girl, but they still are trying to get me to look cute. This is actually similar to another shirt that I have. The other shirt that I have is a little bit darker in color, and it doesn't have that pleating underneath. It's that kind of fabric that catches any of the the dry skin on your thumb, and it kind of just, I don't know how to explain that, but it just feels a little, I don't know if you can hear that on there, but yeah, it's pretty. This is by Mary Bell, so we'll try that on. Next up, and I did peek, I have told them probably a bazillion times that I don't want things that are tight on my chest or tight under my chest or anything like that. And when I saw this, I just got so upset because Alexandria is like one of their best stylists, and obviously she didn't read the notes. I will never, ever, ever wear something like this outside of my house. It just will not happen. So that really frustrates me as a consumer. And I've been through quite a few stylists over there now, and she's one of their best, and even one of their best doesn't read my notes, doesn't read through. So I know that they have a lot of clients, a lot of customers that they deal with, and I know a lot of it is done by the computer, but these items are not part of any of my Pinterest boards. This, I would never add this to my Pinterest board. I would not be caught in this. So I hate it. I hate it. That's just the way it goes. But, and that's just one of the pieces. So, you know, the rest could be wonderful. Because I do have a pair of Morgan & Walker jeans, which these are. And I absolutely love my Morgan & Walker jeans. These seem to be a little bit more of a business-y jean. So I'll try them on, just the size and everything. But I've been trying to get some more of the darker wash jeans. And just because I don't think I can ever have too many of them. Because I wear jeans to work a lot. And I like the darker ones for work. So those are good. And then last up, these are by Referral. And here's something about me. I always look at the tag. And so you see that. So this has obviously been to other people and they didn't like it. That doesn't mean that I won't like it. And I know that in the store, plenty of people try on the clothes. Many of them leave them in piles on the floor, but it's interesting that this wasn't liked. I don't know why. These are exactly what I've been asking for. The nice stretch in the waist, because you know, if I find something that I like, it seems like it's so often like big through the button thighs, and then it'll be uncomfortable here or something, or, you know, just different. But I don't know if I just don't have a very big butt or what. But so we'll try these on. Definitely, they actually look super, super comfortable. So we shall see. All right, that's it for the reveal. I'm going to try things on real quick, and we'll see how it goes. All right, here's that first top. This one is kind of a no. It reminds me of the medieval outfits that the people used to wear, and with my chest size, the lines go straight across. And that's why I asked for nothing underneath the chest. And you'll see this has got it right here, and then it pleats out. So it's terrible. So that's a no-go. Let's try this on really quick. I've got the black pants on, and these videos are always really, really difficult to show the pants. So they are comfortable, but maybe a little bit tight in the waist. Here's that little, yes, that shirt. Here's that little cream-colored cardigan. This outfit actually reminds me of something that's a lot older than me. And that's really unfortunate, because even though I'm almost 50 years old, I don't dress matronly like this. And this is like the old polyester kind of, I don't know what it is. I'd have to look, but it's a pretty tragic outfit for me. So there it is. Not bad colors. It's just the style. And the cardigan is one that, you know, dainty. You know, I'm not against church going, but it's the kind that I used to remember the ladies sing going to church, that has that button right at the top. So, sorry, Alexandra. Bust on some of the stuff. So, bust, you know. All right, here is that last tragic top that I would never wear outside of the house. You know, it's comfy everywhere else, but I just would not wear something that like focused everything right on my chest. I just wouldn't do it. So I have the Morgan & Walker jeans on, and they are super comfortable. Sorry for everything in my house. Super comfortable, and they seem like a real nice length for me. So that may be the keeper in this box. They feel a little bit cheaper than the other pair that I have, and I'm not sure if that's the pair that I had on today for work. Let's take a look at the price. I'm now holding the phone, so All right, the Kiana knit jersey twist top is $58. The Maribel Jaylene woven top, that's that weird polyester one. That one is $69. Ooh. The Rafaela black pants are $72. And I'm not going to keep those. And you know what? The weird thing about them, they button opposite. They like opposite of what a woman's pants normally button at. So yeah, I don't think I could do that. The Morgan & Walker jeans are $75. I might try to see if they're cheaper online somewhere, see if I can price match. And the Mirror Lane Ivory Shrug is $49. That's actually not a bad price for that, but total $323, styling fee $20, 25% off is $80.75, and the total if I kept everything would be $220, $225. So it's, you know, it's not bad. I have two bottoms, but yeah, we shall see. The keeper would be the jeans. They're super comfortable. Yeah, and they're a size down from the other ones I have. They do, if anybody's looking for jeans, they wear more like the cut from the cloth, where it's, you know, they're pretty stretchy. So definitely size down if you're looking at the Morgan & Walker, just because they give you a really nice stretch. So that is it for today. Let me know what you think. Alexandria, I'm going to try to put you in touch with my videos here, and maybe you can get a better idea of who I am. Yeah, so hopefully things will get a little bit better. All right, thanks so much for watching. Have a good night. Bye-bye.